Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Regal Chief, draws for your lead, moving up Magic Key, Tiger Boys by the rail. Moving up on the outside, Ferrari 1, Madame Composita is racing in fifth. Down in 6, Bloodline, followed by Unopposed, then Bonjing Legacy. Running alongside Batcom, Star of Manel. Next in line is entry number 2, Sol Invictus, while Shades of Red is in behind them as they turn towards the last 450. Now we have 3 runners are fighting it out for the lead. Magic Key, Ferrari 1 moving up on the outside and grabbing the lead. Regal Chip running down on the inside. Tiger Boy moving up with the last 100 meters more to run. Ferrari won, this time by about 3 lengths. And finally, Ferrari won, Tiger Boy, Magic Key, Star of Manel, and Regal Chief for your Pentapecta.